Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Kakwat Kakya ka Jylla James PK Sangma hane kasngi ulaya thu baka sarkar Jylla kala Ïasoi ka MOU bar ka Apollo Telehealth Networking Foundation ban sedang ya ka project ka bala khot ka First Cancer Care Project ha Meghalaya. James ulaya thu bala sedang ya kani hadian bala UI Shibun kidak kishen kibayade bar ka Jingpang Bampong hapo ka Jylla. James ulapan pau ka Jingtrang ban Shimkhia amtang ban ai Jingsumar handai ban lap kloy ka Jingpang na du ka basdang. James ulaya thoru baya kaniya kan sedang na East Khasi Hills baru lapan pau ka Jingsumar komen bala dan lang ru do IT Secretary jang ka sarkar India J Satya Narayana bala ya rap ban ai Jingmud habaya dei kaniya. Habaya dei ka Jingplay ka Cancer Wing ha Civil Hospital na kalyang James Sangma ulaya thu baga te ka Jakasumar kan sedang trekam no shen.
Today we, in collaboration with the World Economic Forum, Government of Meghalaya has signed a MOU with the Apollo Hospital as our partners. After a bidding process, we have selected Apollo Group to launch a project by the name of First Cancer Care. So this is, with a view to having seen the kind of large number of cancer-related cases, especially esophageal and also other different kinds of cancer in our state, we want to give a very, very focused approach, not just in terms of treatment but also early detection and also in terms of maintaining their data, which is very, very important because cancer, as we know, sometimes the process of treatment is spread over a period of 5 years or more. So looking at all these things, we have brought forward this project which we feel will be very, very beneficial in taking care of cancer and the spread of cancer in our state. This is being done on a pilot basis right now, starting from East Khasi Hills. And we're very happy that we have one of the former IT secretaries, Government of India, Mr. Satya Narayan, who has been very, very, very helpful, and he has given us invaluable guidance in terms of seeing this project. And Mr. MS Rao is, of course, piloting this, and I think that today it's a very historic day for us as a government. And we are very hopeful that such kind of initiatives and interventions are going to really help us in treating and also taking care of cancer patients. It will be made functional from tomorrow, and that is also something which has been long pending, but we are happy that from tomorrow onwards we'll be able to make it functional after the inauguration. Yes, this is the Ayush and Wellness Center which we are starting at the BRDC only. That's the Biodiversity Resource Development Center. And this is to bring in all the best practices of Ayush and try to integrate that with our traditional healers and how we can bring about a place where our traditional healers can come and also interact with Ayush practitioners and learn a lot of new things which will help in building up capacity, and also there'll be a mutually beneficial exchange of ideas and knowledge. So I think that this center is going to play a very, very important role. It'll be a meeting point for many of our traditional healers, and it's with the view of looking at how we can bring about traditional healers and give them the kind of support that is required, because this knowledge that they have is passed on from generation to generation, and we must make all efforts to preserve that and to document that and make sure that this knowledge and this practice does not die. It's intrinsically woven with our tradition and culture.